Dog-dog communication is the transfer of information between dogs, and also the transfer of information between dogs and humans. First, we will focus on dog-dog communication. No social animal can survive without communicating with members of their group. Since dogs are social creatures that evolved from living in a pack, they developed a dog language in order to communicate with each other. They do this in several ways. Primarily body language, such as movement and positioning of the ears, mouth, and tail, as well as how a dog positions himself near other dogs. But dogs also communicate with looks, scents, and vocalization, or sounds. In terms of body language, dogs communicate with their body posture or stance, body position, eye contact, tail height, mouths, ears, hackles, and muscle tension. With these actions or expressions, they communicate things like, "I want to play," "I'm sorry," "This is mine," "You win," "Stay away," and stuff of the sort. Here are some visual signs of dog behaviors. Some signs of dog-on-dog aggression include lunging, posturing, direct eye contact, raised hackles, pricked ears, teeth exposed or tense mouth. Submissive behaviors consist of lowered ears, tucked tail or low wagging tail, rolling over and lying belly up, drooling, submissive grin, shaking, avoiding direct eye contact, body freezing, licking another dog's muzzle or ears when greeting. Some dogs are very submissive and don't like to be approached directly. They tend to scurry away when action occurs near them. Basically, they enjoy observing other dogs while chewing on a bone. Meanwhile, some dogs are overly playful and try to persistently get other dogs to interact with them, even if the other dog is uninterested. Playful dog behavior: wagging tail, play bow, lowering the head, jumping up on another dog, pacing back and forth, high-pitched barks and grunts, playful biting. As owners, it is important for us humans to socialize our pets with other dogs and people at a young age. If dogs do not socialize at a young age, they can develop aggression toward other dogs and unfamiliar people or environments. Now, we are going to focus on dog-human communication. Dogs also communicate with humans. Dogs talk to humans using body language, facial expression, noises, looks, and eye contact. Meanwhile, humans communicate with dogs with verbal commands, hand signals, eye contact, and body language. If a dog is upset, they are likely to cry or whimper, which can be a sign of pain, health issues, or discomfort. When they are thirsty, they pant, lick their lips, and some even dig at their water bowl. If dogs want to get pet, they will nudge your hand with their snout, rub up against you, or jump up on you standing on their hind legs, like a doggy hug. If they want to play, they will bring you a toy, go down into a play bow, or bark while wagging their tail and pacing close by. Dogs do not have the ability for complex thought that is involved in language, but they do understand factors such as tone. Dogs can understand an association that the sound of certain words have with actions, but they do not understand the meaning of the word.
Go get it. Good boy.
Different barks or sounds can mean different things. There's howling, whining, barking, growling, snorting, crying. These verbally communicated meanings are usually indicated by intensity, duration, tempo, and notably, tone inflection. It is important to have a connection with your dog to communicate with it. Over time you will bond and begin to subconsciously pick up on wants, needs, and thoughts. Hope you learned about dog communication.